Hey.
Hello, I'm here with UC. I'm here to fix your dryer.
Oh yeah, right this way. Is it okay if I record you, by the way?
Sure, that's fine. So it's actually your heating element. All this lint buildup, it actually overflows and gets caught down in here and restricts airflow, and it can actually cause a house fire. So getting this out is still good, but you want to get the lint actually that's trapped down in there.
How do I do that?
I'll show you. First we use this, and we're just going to knock off any of the excess lint that's built up in the corners and sides here. Next we're going to use this. This will go around pretty much any vacuum, and then we're going to get the lint out of here. Oh yeah, you had a decent bit.
How much do I owe you?
It's about $3.50.
Okay, what about for that kid so I can prevent this from happening?
I tell everybody to get one of these. Yeah, these are only $16 and free shipping. If you want to check it out, it's on TikTok. I'll put it here in the link.